Hello, welcome to OpenText DimensionCM. My name is Ngọc from DimensionCM Technical Support Team. Today I will discuss how to change the password of users in DimensionCM. In this session, I will change the password for DM6 as example. Let's start. Firstly, we will need to change the password of the DM6 account. We will set it to a new password. In here, I will input the new password for this account. After the password has changed, when we try to log into DimensionCM web tools, we will see some error like similar like this. To fix the issues, we need to navigate to the installation part of DimensionCM. For me, it's in C drive, program files, the dimensions 14 cms and proc. So we will open command prompts in these locations. In the command prompt, we will run the command dm pass wd dm6 -mod. This command will prompt us to input the old password and then the new password for the DM6 account. Once the command successful runs, we need to restart the service of DimensionCM. So firstly, we will restart the Tomcat. And then the listener service. After reset the service, we can proceed to log into DimensionCM again with the new password. Okay, enjoy using DimensionCM.